Oh God, the bunny's
It is. Okay. Use vegetable oil.
They're joining.
Seisler. But yeah, not as bad as
Not as bad.
as that. Right?
Yeah.
And if I do this,
It'll all break up.
Shaking like a sausage.
will it break up?
No, it'll go.
What's it doing?
It's keeping the salt afloat.
Is it?
It should.
The salt is floating.
Not should, it's doing it right now.
Can I poke it?
What do you see? What do you see?
It's all.
Usually when I poked it. So?
Add more salt.
Right.
You need to add,
And as I add more, what are they doing?
They're joining.
Which is why you couldn't have that.
What is that?
Right.
When you were
Andy, don't
Right.
touch it.
Mineral oil for some reason
Touch that.
likes to hang out with its.
I just did.
Look at that now.
Oh my goodness, what do we do?
So, increase in the concentration of salt in these solutions. What does that do to the hydrophobicity of?
It makes it more hydrophobic. Hydrophobicity?
Phobic. Yes. Phobic.
Can I touch
More
this
hydrophobic.
That's a good thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. So now we're all on the same page.
Wait, I want to get it. I want to get it.
Dude, that's
Right?
right.
Everybody good?
Yeah. Yeah.
Look at how well I did
More
on the
salt, more
I fixed
hydrophobic.
it.
Less salt.
I used special.
Less
It looks
hydrophobic.
less
So
bad.
do you think if you add the salt to the
I can't do
mineral
that.
oil, it'll-
Yeah,
I look like a little kid did
The
it.
salt to the mineral oil?
Yeah, do you think you get even closer together?
There's.
Now what
Nice.
happens if you add pepper?
Can't get
Oh
it.
my
Or do you think it'll separate?
No separation.
Yeah, what happens if you add pepper?
I mean, you can add it, but
Am I the only one that adds pepper
Salt,
to their
salt.
spaghetti or?
see, my children.
Whoa.
Look, it's breaking up.
No, it's not. My sophomore children think salt has this magical power that it
Idiots.
breaks things up.
Just get a
All
salt
the
in
time,
your
right?
relationship.
Yeah, apparently so.
Breaking us up.
Yeah.
Oh, do they just add salt to everything and expect a reaction?
No, they just
I'm pretty sure if you
When,
pour salt on your girlfriend, she'd break
when
up.
we do the salt in the egg lab,
Try that.
they think it's magical.
Why? That would probably kill me.
Hi, flip camera.
It's not a flip.
This would just like.
Just heat it up.
It's a Sony
It becomes a liquid.
vlogging.
That's all. That's all. Of the water, and the water's going to go through the column. Hey, work.
It's frozen.
It is. Thank you.
Okay.
So the first thing we're going to be doing in the lab is adding a high concentration salt solution or buffer. And what will that the GFP do? If we have a high concentration of salt,
It'll separate.
in fact, we just did it up
Clump
here.
together.
What?
Separate.
Clump together.
And who do we want to clump together?
Say again. Sorry, I'm deaf.
Who do we want to clump together?
GFP.
To
Itself.
the polymer
Oh.
that's in the columns. So this little column that I showed you last week Friday, with the white stuff in there,
Uh-huh.
has all those little microbeads in them. You can pass it around and look at them. Did you see it on there?
What is this?
That's the column that you're going to use to extract the GFP.
How does it?
So all you're doing by putting salt in there, you're not allowing water to do its job anymore.
It's not me.
So it can't dissolve as good as it used to.
What's it?
So that's why we say the solvation is reduced.
The salt.
He's Isaac, what's in that?
Little microbeads, polymers,
Those are made out of.
hydrophobic polymers.
Those are so there's
They're made out of a agarose. It's like a sugar. compound.
Like
What's this layer?
they're not like bad. Hydrophobic.
It's a hydrophobic compound. Yeah.
Does the salt stay in a crystal form when doing this?
What does
When you put it in solution.
Yeah.
hydrophobic interaction.
Yep.
You know, there's a perfectly good. Oh, there is.
Okay, and we said before As we put that buffer in there, the high salt solution, the hydrophobic regions, hopefully of GFP, yeah, are going to come out of the inside and attach to those polymers.
When do we have a quiz on all this stuff?
What happened?
When do we have a quiz on all this?
Oh, not on all this, but proteins tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, you
God, Zayas.
You give me an extra couple days.
I'm sure.
Okay. Because I have to.
Oh, somebody took the last West's game.
It's true.
Why you gotta make my life so complicated, huh?
What you know about science?
Is it
Because
summative?
you're enrolled in my class.
Here you go.
Yeah, and what the hell are you
For
thinking?
some reason, Andy thought I should enroll in biotech.
Andy looks like he's gonna go butt on somebody.
I want to be with all the cool kids.
See, I don't know what that means.
What?
Maybe
You guys hear about that kid? He's 18 and he made a pipe bomb
No.
to blow up the school
I'm
in
sorry
Utah.
I asked that question.
heard about that.
Did you hear about that one kid that made a hydrophobic molecule?
That
Yes.
was bastard.
Yes.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, no, I was just kidding. I didn't mean that.